What's up guys, it's Izzy from Endless RVing, and in today's video I'm going to show you a quick fix. We're going to be changing the one-way inlet over here that's now leaking on my rig. I'm going to show you how to change that. Real quick DIY job. You're not going to want to miss it. Stay tuned.
We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life and I'm going.
So guys, recently when I was flushing the black water tank, I noticed that I was getting some of that fresh water backing out when I took the hose out. And my assumption is that there is a check valve in here that is no longer working. And if you guys know what I mean, a check valve is that check valve will only let liquid or something go in one way and then it checks it on the way back. So if that check valve is working, there shouldn't be any liquid coming out once I stop cleaning that fresh water tank. Now before you guys are grossed out, just understand, this is just an inlet here. There's actually hosing that runs, PEX hosing that runs behind, and the actual black water flush is right here, which also has a check valve. So I'm not getting poop water on me. I'm just getting whatever remnants of fresh water is in this hose. But this is a real quick fix. I got the part at a local RV shop. I normally shop on Amazon, but there was a place real close to my work. I got the part. It was $19.43. You can get these on Amazon. You can get these on Amazon. This is the plastic fitting, which is the same as OEM, but they do have the brass fitting, and it's a little less. It might be like 18 bucks, but they weren't prime, and it would have been a week or so before I got it, so I just got it at a local place. If I'm able to, it happens again, I'm just gonna get the brass fitting one. So I'm gonna walk you through how to do this, and it's a real easy fix. You could do it yourself. You don't have to take your rig to a shop that's gonna take weeks. And listen, you take your rig in, you're not getting out of there for less than 150, 200 bucks. I promise you that. This will cost you 20 bucks and a little bit of your time, okay? So the equipment needed, you need some kind of drill. I just have a little handheld lithium drill. I think I've had this since we've been together, maybe longer. This is at least 10 or 11 years old. You need the replacement part. The one we got, it's from B&B, RV Essentials. I got this at a local RV shop, cheap. And then, one of my other videos, I told you we used a drill bit kit. Here's a drill bit kit. I'm just gonna need a Phillips drill bit and we will get started, okay? So, just so you guys know, your rig may be set up a little different. So behind this is 3 screws holding it. Behind it, there's PEX piping. It's coming through here and it's gonna go up around, and then you see it's going right here. This is the black water flush, this is my black tank, okay? So, what you want to do, this is real easy, okay? We're going to move the little head here, and then we're going to loosen up the screws. 1, 2, and number 3. All right, once we do that, right behind where my hand is going to be, you're not going to be able to see it, but there's the PEX head. It's going to unscrew, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I'm going to unscrew it. All right, part is out, okay? That took all of about 30 seconds, okay? That's it. What I'm going to try to do, there's a screen in here. I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to try to get that screen out because for whatever reason, this one didn't come with a screen. If I can get the screen out, I'll put it in the other one. If not, I don't think it's a big deal. There's only fresh water going into there anyway, and I have a hose hooked on there all the time, so I shouldn't be getting dirt going in, all right? So I'm gonna cut out, mess around with this, see if I can get it out. If I can't, I'm gonna put it in, okay? I'll get back at you. Guys, we are back. Good news, good news. The screen of the old one pops right out. You can push it out and just pop it right into the new one. So the screen's on there. I don't know what happened here. The check valve was completely gone. I don't know if it got blown off from pressure. I don't know why, because I have a pressure regulator, but that would explain why water was backing up. So this is garbage. That's gone. Here's the new one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, if you can get into here, babe. You see where the PEX PEX hose is right here. All right, this is gonna go in, this part gonna go in. I'm gonna screw it in by hand. All right, it's just gonna go hand tight. You don't have to crank it down. And with the plastic, you don't need to use any kind of thread tape. So it's in there, okay? Now I'm just gonna line up my the holes with the previous holes. Which they are lined up. Okay. Get the screw in there. All right. I'm gonna put a little bit, screw them in about halfway on each. I'm not gonna crank each one down until all three are in. It's 2. And you're gonna put number 3 in. Third one I'll tighten in. Just a little bit of tension, don't crank it down, okay? It's plastic. You crank down too hard, you're gonna crack the plastic, all right? And number 3. That's it, guys, we're done. I'm gonna put my elbow back in that I showed on the last video. Come on, let's get in there. Gonna make sure the threads are lined up. There we go. All right, and then I'm gonna put my connection for my black. There's my specific black hose, only for flushing the tank. And that should be it. I'm not gonna test it on video, just so you guys know. You're gonna test it for your trolls out there that like to leave comments that you can do this and that on video. You're gonna test it, make sure there's no leaks, okay? Once I flush, I ain't gonna do that now because I don't need to empty my black tank. But guys, that's it. That's a 5-minute job maybe, and you're gonna save yourself. I guarantee if you go to an RV shop, you leave in there $150 minimum, and you're probably gonna take a couple of weeks to get your rig in there. So guys, I appreciate you watching. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, share, comment. By you doing that, you're helping us out a lot, helps us grow on YouTube. Also, I'll be putting a link to this piece, actually the better one that has the brass. It's on Amazon. They also sell these in black, which is probably a good idea. If it's a black tank flush out, get the black so you don't, confuse yourself. I only got white because that's what they had at the RV store that I went to, and that's what came OEM. But if I get it next time, I'll get a black one. So it's gonna be in the Amazon link. If you find it somewhere else cheaper, buy it on there. If you don't, you're gonna use it on Amazon, hit that link, it's our affiliate account. It throws us a couple of cents into our coffers and allows us to buy new equipment and bring you better videos. So I appreciate your time. From myself, from MJ, beautiful Triplebrook Resort in New Jersey. We thank you and we'll see you guys on the road.